Here we all are on our way to the port with the captain.
I'm trying to fix my head.
She can't drive a car. You think she can drive a ship?
I'm the backseat driver.
I'm not sure how the people on the boat, the ship, I said boat, the ship would act with gas brake, gas brake, gas brake.
Here we go.
So anyway, what day is it, love?
It's cruise day.
Where are we going?
We're going on a ship.
We're going on a cruise. Because
yeah.
you just said it's cruise day.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are, leaving out of Tampa again on the Paradise. But then you ain't got to worry about the Paradise all the way till June after this.
Here we go.
So, all right, we'll see you at the port. With some crazy
Bye-bye.
people.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Say bye. Say bye.
I said bye. Now stop.
Video, right?
That means I can
there.
talk, I
That
can
guy
read.
right there, that's the problem right there.
Daryl.
That guy
Daryl.
right there. That's the problem.
Not me. I'm not.
No, she's not the problem.
Not me either.
He's kind of a problem. She definitely is not a problem. Definitely not a problem. That guy right there, definitely the problem. We'll show you. Here we go. All right, where are we going?
We're going to our mustard trail so we can get out of here and go get us something to eat.
But it's A.
A.
They all got B, which is better.
Ha.
B for better.
No, A for absolutely the best.
Oh, I got that. I like that. All right,
Yeah.
see you there.
Okay, let's go.
Floor 8 or floor 9 right above us. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this life jacket, place it above your head, take this bottom strap around.
All right, that was painless, right?
It was short and sweet.
Now we're going up to deck 10. And you know what's on deck 10?
Food.
Food and the Red Frog.
Red Hot Club. Let's go. Let's go.
You never know who you're going to run into. Look who's back. It's Chan. Chan.
He's the man with the
He's the man with the plan. Okay, time for some beer.
Lightweight, come on.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
On
What are you doing?
a sip
What are you
of a
doing,
drink.
babe?
I'm trying to bring you
What is your
pizza.
problem,
You
Lee?
brought that to Marlene.
You're like my stepdaughter. What are you doing? That much.
Lord.
That much.
How much?
1 plus.
RJ, Danny, where are you
Where
at?
are you?
We got Wanda.
Hey,
We got Wanda.
Hey, Danny.
And her friend Brittany.
You play
I'll
too
forget
much,
that by then.
Danny,
You play
too
way
much.
too much, Danny.
Way too much.
Way
Danny.
too much.
Way.
RJ, matter of fact, you play too much.
Where are you guys? We're looking for you. Hey, Pat, they're probably getting on the ship now. Let's go downstairs and meet them.
Oh, I bet they're surprising us.
Hey, guys.
Oh, that's right. They got jobs. We don't have
We're
jobs.
retired.
The city, the doors open as he turns.
What?
Yes, you play too much, man.
Oh, yeah, he plays
You
too
just
much.
play too much.
You be playing.
Too much.
Yeah, you be playing.
All right, what's up? What's wrong
A
now?
little bit more.
Darryl, you play too much.
I try to.
You play way too
I
much.
try to
Darryl.
play too much.
He just played too much.
Plays too much.
He does.
Plays too much. What?
You play too much.
I don't play too much.
You play way.
No, you play too much.
You play way too much.
I don't play way too much.
Yeah, you play too much.
She plays way too much.
No, Terry doesn't play. She's so sweet. Yeah, you play too much.
Sounds like a lot of butt kissing going on right here. All right, man. What's up, Marvin?
What's up? So nice to see you again,
Yeah.
man.
And every time we get on, what do we say, man?
Yeah,
man. Here we are. Look who I'm with.
Freddie from Ship
What's your name, man?
From Ship Freddie right here.
Yes, Funship Freddy. He's Funship Freddy.
The original.
The original Funship
Yes.
Freddy right here. Where are you from?
California.
You flew all the way here from California? Overnight? That's a long flight.
I'm tired right now, but I'm on party.
All right, well, we're coming down to San Francisco in September.
Oh,
So
okay.
we're going to be in California.
Okay,
All right.
Nice to meet you, brother.
You too, man. What's your favorite channel? Party of Two? You're the one that said it, not me.
You too.
All right, man. Hope you have a great
All right,
time.
I'm gonna see you there.
All right, brother.
I'll be seeing you tonight. There you go. Hang out with this guy right here. Party guy right there.
We've been drinking. Just kidding.
We had
She looks so wonderful, looks so wonderful, and all those we're going to be taking care of you and entertaining you all cruise long in our various venues. And let me tell you, music of all different genres. Part of the team is our pro DJ, has DJ Taylor, so let's hear for all our musicians as well. And last but by no means least, let me tell you.
410, and the gangway is still hooked up.
That's the thing. Yes. Oh, yes.
Yes, Patrilla, baby.
Guess what, guys?
What?
We're on a cruise! Guess what, guys? Guess what? We all have drinks! Guess what? Guess what? Brittany's filming us!
Oh, look! Daryl's drunk.
Guess what? Party at 2 cruising! Guess what, guys? Guess what? We can get 15 drinks today! What?
Nobody's having as much fun as we're having.
Come here.
Cheers!
Party of 2 cruising.
Party of Two cruising.
Hey!
That's them.
Party until the end of the cruise.
Party of 2 Thank you. All right, thanks. All right. Always say
All right, Tony, getting back. Babe, we unpacked. Where are we going?
We're going to dinner, but I love my captain's hat in the room.
Actually,
Do you
we're
want
not-
to go back and get it?
We're not going to dinner. We're actually going up.
We're going to dinner.
No, we're going to the casino bar first.
Oh, then dinner.
Then dinner.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you up there.
Bye-bye.
We're going, babe.
We're not going. We're here at dinner. We're at a table and stop, and we have great company here. We have a table of 12, and it's going to be wonderful.
No, it's going to be loud.
Loud. This whole ship is loud today.
Well, that's true. We might not be louder than the
We
ship.
are not going to make any noise.
No.
The man!
Stand!
Everyone, Stan the man told us to be quiet.
Stand the man said be quiet.
Off of Carnival because she brought them.
I got my card. They're
Doesn't matter.
They don't care. They don't care.
About what?
We were doing marijuana and like the prescription marijuana.
All right, my first appetizer, shrimp cocktail.
Rose can.
Terry went back to her childhood and got a grilled cheese, french fries, and a lot of ketchup. My second appetizer, roasted tomatoes. Terry's still working. My third appetizer, chicken rice soup. Terry got nothing. My entree of Cobb salad. Terry's entree of Cobb salad with extra dressing. Terry's second entree. What is that?
Shrimp and noodles.
Shrimp and noodles.
It's supposed to be.
All right, I got the cheesecake for dessert. Terry got the cheesecake for dessert.
Oh, that's the
Well, hello. Long day. It's late.
Everybody else kind of gone to bed, but us.
They all left us.
Yep.
They all went to bed.
So we're
So-
sitting here enjoying our hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate because,
So good.
and it can't make a chocolate martini again.
Yep. No chocolate martini.
Out of
but
Bailey's again.
The hot chocolate is
That's
so
two cruises
good.
in a row.
It's so good.
They're still good.
So we're gonna have hot chocolate, and then we're gonna call it a night. Cheers, baby.
And you know what? This don't make you fall over your feet. All right, well, we'll see you later. We saw a lot of people down here today that knew us.
Yeah, party of two cruising right this way.
Yep. All right. Well, good night.
Good night.
Tomorrow's sea day. You know where we'll be. At the pool, as she would say.
Bright and early.
Bright and early. Hogging our chairs. No, just kidding. All righty. So we'll see you in the morning. Say bye.
Bye.
Say good night.
Good night.